Hello friends, welcome to today's session on trigonometry. In this session I am going to explain 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th questions from exercise 9.1, page number 204, chapter 9, applications of trigonometry. So let's read the ninth question. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degrees and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of a building is 60 degrees. If the tower is 50 meters high, find the height of the building. So there is a building and there is a tower. Okay, this is the tower and this is the building. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degrees. So this is 30 degrees. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. Okay, now this, if the tower is 50 meters high, find the height of the building. It is given that the tower height is 50 meters. We have to find out the height of the building. Let us assume h to be the height of the building and b to be the base of the building, length of the base, b. Now we'll take two triangles and then calculate the ratios. Okay, first of all let's take this bigger triangle. Okay, this triangle. I am calculating tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees is equal to 50 by b. Opposite side by adjacent side. 50 by b. Tan 60 degrees is root 3, right? Root 3 is equal to 50 by b. B is equal to 50 by root 3. That into root 3 divided by root 3. I am multiplying numerator and denominator with root 3. That is equal to 50 by 3 root 3. So I got the base as 50 by 3 root 3 meters. Now let's take this smaller triangle. Okay, this triangle. Here I will calculate tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is h by b. Okay, what is the value of tan 30 degrees? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to h by b is 50 by 3, 50 root 3 divided by 3, 3h. Okay, root 3 gets cancelled. H is equal to 50 by 3 meters. That is equal to 16.2 by 3 meters. Hope this is clear for you. He has given, I'll explain this figure once again. He has given he has given that there is a building and there is a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees and the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. And we have to find out the height of the building. He has given the height of the tower is 50 meters. Okay, now I have assumed the base of the building to be the distance between the 2 points to be b. That is the base of the triangle b. Now I have taken this bigger triangle where I know the height of the triangle is 50 meters. So tan 60 degrees becomes 50 by b. So I have calculated b value as 50 by 3 root 3 meters. Now I will take this triangle, the smaller triangle. Here tan 30 degrees is equal to h by b. Here I know the b value, right? B value is 50 by 3 root 3 meters. So I got the h value as 16.2 by 3 meters. Hope this is clear for you. Let's move to the 10th question. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road which is 80 meters wide. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. So there are two poles which are of equal height. Okay, there are two poles which are of equal height. Let us assume the height of the poles to be h. Standing on opposite sides of the road. What is the width of the road? Width of the road is 80 meters. So this is 80 meters. Okay, this is 80 meters. Now there is a point on the road from which the angle of elevation is 60 degrees to one pole and the angle of elevation is 30 degrees to another pole. So this is the information he has given. Now he is asking us to find out the height of the pole and then the distance of the point from the two poles. So let us assume this distance to be a. Okay, let us assume this distance to be a meters. This becomes 80 minus a, right? This becomes 80 minus a. Okay, hope this figure is clear for you. Now let's look at the first triangle. This triangle. We'll take opposite side by adjacent side. Tan 30 degrees is equal to h by a. What is tan 30 degrees? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to h by a. A is equal to root 3 into h. This is one equation we got. Now let's look at the other triangle, this triangle. Okay, tan 60 degrees is equal to h by 80 minus a, right? Opposite side by adjacent side. What is the value of tan 60 degrees? Root 3. Root 3 is equal to h by 80 minus a. So root 3 into 80 minus a is equal to h. What is the value of a? A is equal to root 3h, right? So or let's do it this way. Okay, h is equal to 80 minus a is equal to h by root 3. 80 minus a is equal to h by root 3. We know the value of a is root 3h. So h by root 3 plus root 3h is equal to 80. So I am taking h common. 1 by root 3 plus root 3 is equal to 80. So root 3 into 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 by root 3h. 4h by root 3 is equal to 80. So 4 ones are 4 20s are. That implies h is equal to 20 root 3 meters. Okay, hope this is clear for you. I got the value of h as 20 root 3 meters. Now we know a is equal to root 3h. A is equal to root 3h. So a becomes, that implies a is equal to 20 root 3 into root 3. That is equal to 23 is 60 meters. Now what will be the other distance? 80 minus a, right? 80 minus a is equal to 80 minus 60. That is equal to 20 meters. So in this diagram, we got the h value as 20 root 3 meters and this a value as 60 meters and 80 minus a, this distance is 20 meters. Hope this is clear for you. So let's move to the 11th question. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. From a point 20 meters away from this point on the line joining this point on the foot of a tower, the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. So you have to understand this question. He is saying that there is a tower standing here. We do not know the height of the tower, so let us assume the height to be h. Now there is a river bank. This is the river and this is the bank of the river, and from this the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. And again he travels 20 meters from this bank of the river further away, and the angle of elevation from that point is 30 degrees. 20 meters. After 20 meters, the angle of elevation from that point is 30 degrees to the top of the tower. Now we have to find out the height of the tower and the width of the canal. That is, let us assume the width of the canal to be A and the height of the tower to be h. Now we will take the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is equal to h by a. What is the value of tan 60? Root 3. Root 3 is equal to h by a. That implies h is equal to root 3a. Okay. Now we will take the bigger triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is h. h divided by adjacent side is 20 plus a. What is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to h divided by 20 plus a. So 20 plus a is equal to root 3 into h. But we know the value of h is equal to root 3a. So we will substitute it here. 20 plus a is equal to root 3 into root 3a. So 20 plus a is equal to 3a. So 2a is equal to 20. That implies a is equal to 10. So I got the a value as 10 meters. Now what will be the h value? H is equal to root 3a, right? Root 3a, that is equal to 10 root 3 meters. So the width of the canal is a, that is 10 meters, and the height of the tower is h, that is 10 root 3 meters. Hope this is clear for you. Now let's move to the 12th question. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degrees. Determine the height of the tower. So there is a 7 meters high building, okay, and there is a tower. Let us assume this to be the tower. So the angle of elevation from the top of the building is 60 degrees. So this angle is 60 degrees. Now the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degrees. So this is 45 degrees. Determine the height of the tower. So we have to find out the height of the tower. It is given that the height of the building is 7 meters. So this will also be 7 meters. Now let us assume this distance to be A and this base to be B. You understood this figure, right? So the angle of elevation from the top of the building to the top of the tower is 60 degrees. That is, this angle is 60 degrees. And the angle of depression from the top of the building to the bottom of the tower is 45 degrees. That is, this angle is 45 degrees. The angle that it makes with the horizontal line is 45 degrees. So if this angle is 45 degrees, this angle becomes 45 degrees. Okay, now let's take the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, this is the triangle. Tan 45 degrees is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is equal to 7 by B. What is the value of tan 45 degrees? 1, right? 1 is equal to 7 by B. So B is equal to 7 meters. So the value of B is equal to 7 meters. Now this length will be 7 meters. Right? Because it is the opposite side of the rectangle. This is the opposite side of the rectangle AECB. So AE will be equal to BC. Since AE is equal to BC, AE is also 7 meters. Now let's take the triangle ADE. In triangle ADE, tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side is A meters, right? So A divided by adjacent side is 7 meters. So what is the value of tan 60? Root 3. Root 3 is equal to A by 7. That implies A is equal to 7 root 3 meters. Now we have to find out the total height of the tower, that is CD. So CD is equal to CE plus ED. CE plus ED. We know CE height is 7 meters because it is the opposite side of AB, of the rectangle AECB. So 7 plus 7 root 3, that is equal to 7 into 1 plus root 3 meters. This is the height of the tower. Hope this is clear for you. That's all for this session. You can refer to other videos for more solved questions from this exercise. And please leave your feedback in the comment section below. And please subscribe to the channel and share the videos. Until then, see you.